Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn on Safe Search in Duckduckgo application on Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on Safe Search in the Duckduckgo application is essential for ensuring a safer browsing experience, especially for users who want to filter out explicit content. Safe Search helps prevent the display of inappropriate or explicit material in search results, providing a more family-friendly browsing environment. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Duckduckgo application on your device. Okay, and then open an website here. After that, click this icon, and then again select all settings option. Okay, and now look for Safe Search option, and click the down arrow under the option. Well, here you can select the first option or the second option, where the first one will give you more safe browsing experience than the second one. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn on Safe Search in Duckduckgo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.